up there that is obviously a lot of additional hanging storage, which is typically in the bunkhouse model, you don't get a lot of hanging storage.
Right, right.
So if they opt not to put the washer and dryer there, they have up and down hanging storage for shirts and jackets and those types of things.
Perfect.
And then on the door side, where this slide is right here, we designed 2 desks. So instead of just one desk for one individual, we'll have 2 desks and they're kickouts with a 32-inch TV in the center there.
Nice.
So if they want to plug the gaming systems into there, they can. But then in the evening, if they want to watch their own programming, they can. And then to my point, you'll have the neo-angle shower up there with your full lav and commode. And then you go down to the main deck, and this is the only floor plan we offer at High Country that has the super sofa.
Ah,
so
okay.
We have seating for 5 here, and then a flip-up bar countertop for additional eating there. And then, you know, obviously in bunkhouse models, it's very difficult for space utilization to find direct seating right across from your entertainment center.
It really
checks,
is, yeah.
checks that box for the customer. And then mom and dad to have their own space instead of where you see a lot of the floor plans similar to this one, they'll do a loft above the master suite. This one doesn't have a loft over the master suite because we have so much sleeping up top. This one is a rear suite for mom and dad. So you have that additional ceiling, you have the nice open space, and then of course dual vanities back there with the commode and shower. So it's a separated floor plan where the kids have their space.
Other side of the coach.
And then parents are on the other side of the coach. So
I like it. I like it.
Really nice space utilization for that.
Wonderful.
Went over incredibly well at our open house, and here again, this is the first time we're introducing it to the retail public at the Tampa Supershow, which is exciting for us.
Awesome.
So all the specs here again are on the side of these banners. So this one's the 397 FP.
Okay, we have a 397 FB. This is a Montana High Country. This is a bunkhouse model, and this is a huge space right here. Really nice. It almost kind of reminds me of a toy hauler space, really. I mean, look at this 5-person couch right here.
Yeah, the super sofa.
Yeah, super sofa with the recliners. Thomas Paine, love it. Lots of windows here, very nice. I mean, look at this. Look at this island. I don't know that I've ever seen an island this big in an RV. I mean, this thing is huge. Look at this. So this is a this right here.
Like an extended counter, but if you have chairs there, it serves as a breakfast bar.
Exactly. So line up your bar stools there. Big old farm sink right there. Nice big TV right here. Fireplace. Got your Furrion appliances here. 3-burner cooktop, oven, microwave, and a residential style refrigerator. So nice big kitchen, and here's a pantry. Very nice, very nice. With adjustable shelves, which is good, and some additional storage up top there. And here's some more of your cabinets. You might have an outlet in here. Maybe put your coffee maker in there. Who knows?
So for your butler's pantry.
Yep. But lots of space here. Very, very, very spacious. And this is actually the model that has the master suite in the back. Got a nice ceiling fan here in your kind of your living room area. So let's walk back here. So here in the master suite, we have a king size bed. We have some nice wardrobe space on both sides here for hanging clothes up and down. And then we have some drawers here. And we have the outlets and the space here to mount a TV on the wall if you would like to. And then this is the bathroom. You have double sinks in here with some nice cabinet space here. His and hers cabinets. Nice space here for all of your toiletries and different things. Walk-in shower. And I mean, the counter actually kind of wraps all the way around here, which is nice. You can have some decorative things here or whatever. Yeah. Lots of space. If you've ever had to change out an RV toilet, which I have, you will appreciate having this space around the toilet. So I appreciate that. and some extra cabinet space here. So lots of cabinet space. Nice room here. You know, have a window. You have a nice tall. Yeah, look in there. Even if you were 6'5", you could probably still fit in that shower there. So that's a pretty nice space. You know, lots of the bedrooms are kind of short, but you know, I'm 6 feet tall. I mean, plenty of head height here, which I like. So let's go check out the bunkhouse portion, which is in the front. Wow. This is a large bunkhouse.
Yes, so if you are bringing a lot of kids,
Yeah.
this is a great space for them.
This is really a great space. And I mean, look at this. This is just kind of a I don't know, entertainment area. Big TV. And you know, if you were full-timing and if you had homeschool kids, you have built-in desks here, you have storage underneath. This is a really nice space. A really nice workspace, play space. I mean, gosh, you could have 4 kids in here.
So, 4 kids.
Yeah.
Wow.
Lots of space. And then, yeah, so there's a full hanging closet that also is washer dryer prep, which is nice. And then the kids have their own bathroom.
Nice.
Separate from mom and dad. So mom and dad get their complete total private space and the kids have their space. Love it.
Kitchen. So,
Okay, rear kitchen. Gotcha.
Yeah, so this one is a rear kitchen. We're doing incredibly well with the Montana rear kitchen. It just checks a lot of boxes. So in the high country line, we always try to differentiate the floor plans a little bit, but still keep with the theme of what the customers are looking for.
Sure.
The big thing for this one, the 3901 rear kitchen in the Montana is sitting right about 42.5 feet.
Okay.
So when we brought this one out, we wanted to keep a very sensible length on it.
Yeah.
So 36 feet 7 inches,
Right.
below that 40 feet length, which we hear a lot of times from the consumer. Here again, your specs are all right here, so you're going to be sitting, you know, at a very decent weight for a 3/4 ton truck with 1,305 pounds.
Very much so.
But we did the island here in the kitchen for maximizing your countertop space. Here again, direct seating right across from your entertainment center.
But I have to interject. What I love is your carrying capacity. 3,680 pounds.
Yeah.
That's
So
awesome.
You'll see the whole entire Montana lineup. We're really focusing on 3,000 and plus.
That's,
in fact, the Montana upper biggers this year in 2025, we went standard with 8K axles on our 40 plus foot floor plans to ensure that we're giving you 3,000 or above on the cargo carrying capacity.
Because everybody with fifth wheels is thinking that you're getting all this extra carrying capacity and space, but a lot of fifth wheels, I mean, that number is under 2,000 pounds.
Yeah, so they give you the space, but they don't give you the capacity on the tires and axles and frame.
Exactly.
So for us, our customers move around the country. Montana customers are adamant about traveling, whether they're snowbirds, whether they're going to see family and spending time, you know, in retirement or during, you know, we have a lot of people that are full-timing in them.
Right.
So for us to be able to make sure that they can put all their items in it, we took a very strong focus on that this year, which here again, the Montana lineup getting the AK axles and bigger tires.
That is awesome.
But this floor plan, obviously you got a hide bed down here for additional sleeping. So comfortably you'll be able to sleep 4 on this one. And then you have the theater seat directly across from the entertainment center. That entertainment center, the top of it is your TV, and then on the outside gives you a nice outside kitchen. Okay. Which is a nice, you know, checks that box for a real rear kitchen customer.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
well, hey, thank you so much for this walkthrough, and we're gonna take a look on the inside and check things out and show you guys what we're looking at.
Perfect.
All right. All right. Very nice. And we have to get a doggy, I guess, now because there's a doggy bowl there.
So why don't you talk about the living room first, and then I'll hit that kitchen.
You do like those kitchens, don't you? All right, no problem. All right. So the living room, this is my hangout for sure. We have the Thomas Paine theater seating, recliners, powered recliners with your cup holders, very nice. Some nice windows back here. We have a sleeper sofa right here that folds out with some nice storage above it. And we have a very large, very nice 50-inch TV right here. And a big fireplace, has some nice speakers, nice JBL system right here with your Bluetooth. And we have some more cabinet space right here. And there is even, there is not any storage back behind that TV, but still quite a bit. And I'm going to let you do the kitchen.
All right, so let's take a look at the kitchen. Look at all of this counter space.
Wow.
I'm loving that already.
Yeah.
So you have a nice big sink here. And you have storage underneath. I don't know if you want to kind of come around and kind of capture some of this storage.
Oh, yeah.
So it's kind of like an L-shaped kitchen. You're a little boxed in, but you have like all of this storage. So it's really separating the kitchen from the rest of the RV. You have a full-size refrigerator here. Again, more cabinet space.
Microwave.
I'm sorry. You have a full-size microwave here and lots of more counter space. Full-size refrigerator.
Residential, very nice. Yeah, lots of space in there.
And if you have a lot of appliances, you have plenty of space here with outlets on both sides.
Yeah, check out that range hood. That's really nice.
Yes. Oh, yeah. That is really nice. So
Very nice.
You don't really see this in a lot of RVs, but you have a nice range hood with storage on the side. You have, this is a residential stove, but it only has 3 burners. So just kind of keep that in mind. So it's kind of almost, to me, it's almost in between residential and like RV type. Once you look inside, it's really not that much space. But, again, you can do some cooking in there. You have your pantry here. So I'm going to step to this side. So lots of space.
Yes. Very nice.
All right, and then you have your dining, so it does have an extender.
It's probably locked.
Yeah, I'm sure it's locked. I'm sure.
Okay, let's check out this bathroom. So, nice walk-in shower right here with a single bowl sink, some nice storage here, medicine cabinet, and a max air fan up above. All right, coming back here into the bedroom. King size bed right here. Has some nice storage on both sides with outlets, your cell phone, CPAP machines. And there's your closet with shoe storage in the back and an additional shelf. You have the shelf on top as well. It's very nice. Have some wardrobe space right here. Have a place here for a TV that you can mount on the wall. And this closet right here is washer and dryer prepped, or you can use it for additional storage, either way. And one thing I will definitely say about this unit, I have seen no carpet, which I definitely love, and it has nice light colors that keep it nice and open looking on the inside. So, thanks for joining us for another Wander Open Roads adventure, and we will see you next time.
Wander safely.